All right, how can I look not haggard in this next?
We're at the airport.
You're interrupting the shot. Jerk playing.
Oh, you cannot see a thing. Haggard it is. Hold on. What's the word? Sprawled? Hold on, I cannot see a thing. Sprawled? Let me zoom in just a little bit.
Scattered everywhere.
Scattered? Oh, okay, they cannot see an effing thing. Hold on, sorry. Oh, God. Sorry, code, hold on. Accent lights are coming up. So it's like what, all or nothing? For sakes. Accent light. I was gonna say something else. That's really dusty and really gross. I turned it off, sorry. I didn't mean to turn it off. Okay. Was I the Grinch of Halloween past? Sure.
No. Was I the Grinch this year for Halloween? Yes.
I think I'm gonna lose the hat. Oh. I'm supposed to have this like flowy hair and my hair doesn't do a thing. The website basically... Mom! Hello?
You can keep that in bloopers.
Don't put that in. You can put across the screen bollybread.com. Okay, I'm gonna say sentimental music to go along with this, but not like cheesy, but just like, I mean, you know the situation. Read the room. Find me something good.
You can keep that, like just like for a thing for bloopers.
I just care about you. It's okay, cough.
I'm
cough.
joking.
Cough.
We're good now.
Okay.
Can I focus?
Lighting's kind of bad here.
What can I put? Focus.
We are also going to just take a little second and look at Joel's outfit because, I mean, he used to not really care and it was hard to, hold on.
Very visible.
Get yourself situated.
Oh my dear heavens. Oh man, that lighting's terrible. You see me?
Don't tell your mom.
We're gonna take a little pauser and we're gonna look at Joel's outfit. Oh, interruptions.
Lincoln, that tree's the only thing you can hit with that, okay?
I'm trying to like get a thumbnail, Joel. Well, I don't want the sun like blaring on my face. Oh, okay. Come behind me, Joel, and be like, I told you.
Hey Vaughn,
Yeah.
will you tell me if it's center?
Bossy move. Come to me.
Oh, close to you?
On this side of me.
Okay.
To the right. To the right.
My right?
My right. Just say I was
sitting
Hold
close
on.
by a
what
kid.
you were saying. To the right. To the right. And I want you to get a thumbnail.
I could be going like.
To the right. There.
Lean forward, like.
Yeah. Joel,
Hmm.
think about thumbnails here.
I can't see that I'm smiling. It doesn't matter.
Okay, now turn so you can see her like this. No, you come in. Yeah, that was
What's the brown stuff, Mom?
What brown stuff?
The meat.
On top?
Oh.
That's roast beef.
That's beef? It looks like a pig's butt.
It probably is. No, cows.
Oh, that makes it worse.
And for the record, that was absolutely disgusting and I am furious with myself for eating it!
I told you not to.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm staring at my dog, waiting for her
okay.
to make eye contact with me.
Lady, come.
Okay, no, don't move her. No, Joel, don't move her. Put her right here and make her come to you.
Lady, come. Lady, come.
Okay, Olivia, get behind me.
Oh, it fell off.
Oh, fix her shoe.
Okay, here, Olivia, hold those.
Oh my gosh, lady, come. Come. Come on. Jeez Louise. Hurry, get that shoe on. On bath day, we give peanut butter to our dog and it gets really messy, but she really, really loves it. Don't let her walk because then I don't want her to get used to it. I want her to get used to it.
She's not walking anywhere.
Her tail is like quivering. She's like, oh, I can't take how much I love it. Lady, lady, lady. Earth to lady. Oh, Hello. She came up for air, everybody. She's like, and back in for more.
The beast of the wild has eaten all the meat off the bone. Here's the proof.
Tap it on your face so you can see. No, here, hold the camera. Tap on your face.
Did you sleep warm or cold last night?
Warm.
Warm. Yep, you even took your shirt off.
I took my shirt off and I threw up.
Did you throw up in your mouth a little bit?
Uh-huh.
Maybe a soda and a Gatorade and cookies was a bad idea for dinner.
No, I drank Mountain Dew and Gatorade.
Yep.
Is he face down? I'm not sure what's happening.
Oh, there's Lincoln.
Hold on, turn the camera off.
Okay.
I would say he partied hard. Looks like a hangover.
Mommy blew it!
Oh.
Okay. I'm too tired. I'm wearing 2 pairs of shoes.
Why are you wearing 2 pairs of shoes?
My boots and my shoes.
Boston, don't do that. Take those
Me,
off.
Lincoln.
Oh, for sakes, would you get out of here? Literally, get out of here.
Get in, Mom.
Okay, that's not nice.
Oh, that's not nice.
Don't. Oh, you're sinking.
You get drowned on your own.
I'm busy. Drowned on your own time.
Go, Bossy.
No, you don't. You gotta let it. You gotta let it carry.
Okay, only keep Boston in bloopers. The wind is blowing. The leaves are going. This is wild. Ooh, the weather escalated fast. It is raining.
Do you like my shows?
I needed to make eye contact with you. Do you know the carpenter that did the work in here?
I can get his number for you if you would like.
Okay, because I need eye contact for this. Keep that part for bloopers. Okay, look at me. I'm trying to say something. I'm wondering if I could get his number because I could use his skills tonight.
Hey.
Yeah, why do you think I was trying to get you to make eye contact with me, you idiot?
What are you building?
This is what I was saying. Hold on, let me control my family.
Oh my gosh, I love my new shoes.
I'm smiling so big right now. I'm so happy. Did anyone push the button?
No.
Okay, please push the button.
We're still hopeful.
Don't push all of them, push one. 15.
It feels like Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Hey, Linda.
I got this now.
Hi, Aunt Linda. Ah, fish. No, do you know what? She watches and she's gonna love it. Happy Halloween, Aunt Linda.
Happy Halloween, Aunt Linda.
Happy late Halloween, Aunt Linda.
And Bonnie has a present for you.
We need a vlog, we need an Instagram, we need to post on the
I know, there's too much.
I know it's backlit and I don't care. No, it's great.
Bonnie, we can't have this. The website can wait.
Okay.
Is that better?
You
That's
better.
better.
Yeah,
Thank
it's so good.
you.
It's good.
He is the
Okay.
professional.
Ready?
I just have to get a spaghetti. Get your fingers out of my food. Is that weird? Was that an awful pan? I don't know. I know that I am the worst camera person. How do I do this for a living? I have no idea. Literally, I have no idea. Oh, Brie, you should vlog. Everyone in the world would be better at my job than me. I'm just saying. Anyone would be better at my job than I am, but yet here we are. I'm the worst at my job. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so heavy for me.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about myself.
Oh, I'm gonna try so hard to be so strong.
Well, hurry up, it's cold.
I have leather gloves on, that means I can do anything. And I have my rain boots on, that means I can do anything.
Go get some ice cream for us.
Oh said no.
Your hips are liars. They're notoriously lying.
Hips don't
Unlike
lie.
Akira, they're liars.
My hips don't lie.
You'll be
You
alright.
watch them as I walk out the door, they don't lie.
What you got under that rug?
Nothing cute, that's for sure. Believe me.
What's happening?
I honestly don't know. Something's wrong with Mom, but I gotta get downstairs before we get in trouble.
Yo, sure.
You said good. You said, oh! Well,
Did your
you
fingers come
said good,
open?
good.
Oh my
You
god.
said good.
I'll tell you where you can get one of these. It'll make all your lifting powers come true. Ah, you can keep that all for bloopers. And when I say... Lifting heavy things makes the wool it's tired. I'm not tired anymore.
Oh, that was the way
What? Good night. Good night. They all saw me. Good night.